Hello guys, welcome to Trending Tube. Friends, my name is Biswa, and in this video I am going to show you the product which I purchased from IKEA called as EKNE, EKNE, which is a mirror which I got it from IKEA, and this is the design which you see here. And yeah, you see this one. Price is 999 rupees, which is around approximately $12 to $13, which I have put over here. If you see here, with the wash basin, along with this wash basin we have installed this mirror. It is a bathroom mirror. Maybe you can use it as a with the wash basin as well. The mirror quality of the mirror is really good. I wanted to show you this. If you see, and I'll remove this leaves, maybe these are all artificial, and then if you see, this is the product, and we hang it only with the IKEA sticker only, if you see here, right? So if you see the back, the product name is mentioned here, which is EKNE, and there is a hook which will be used as a hook to this particular IKEA sticker, and then there will be cushions provided, three cushions, which will be used as a cushioning with the wall. And to hang it, it's very simple. Yeah, see, I could able to hang it very easily, and it looks really good, friends. So whenever you are visiting IKEA, so whenever you are trying to visit IKEA, try to see these type of products which will enhance your house look, as well as it is pocket friendly. So in 1,000 rupees, maybe in a $12 or $13, it's really beautiful to see such products. It really looks beautiful to see such products from IKEA. I would also suggest you to first maybe check for IKEA Circular Hub. If you find any such products in IKEA Circular Hub, go ahead and buy that, okay? If not, then go to the market hall and check it. I think that's all, friends. The product purchase link will be available in the description section. You can go ahead and purchase it. Thank you. Thanks for watching, and great day. Bye.